welcome my channel. Ang kuan kami dito.
Hi mga gats! Welcome back to my channel, and today's video, magcha-challenge tayo. Kung my what's in my bag challenge, sa akin naman is what's in my makeup box challenge. So from the word itself, makeup, so lahat ng ipapakita ko sa'yo is all about makeup. But, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko for my clients and for myself. So, keep on watching and let's get started. So mga gats, ito yung makeup box ko. So I use this makeup box for almost 2 years na. So parang luma na siya. So, i-open natin at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang loob ng makeup box ko. So, first thing is my hair pads, or should I say hair velcro pads. Yes, ito yung ginagamit pang stop sa mga baby hair natin. Yan. Diba? So next thing is my primer. So I have 2 primers, Max Factor and itong Rimmel London Stay Matte. Ito yung mga primers ko. Pero meron pa ako isang primer, pero malaki talaga siya, so hindi kasya sa bag ko. So next is foundation. So marami akong foundation guys. So I have L'Oreal Matte Foundation, I have Superstay, Maybelline Foundation, I have MAC Foundation, I have Velvet Perfection BB Cream Foundation, and I have another 150 Maybelline Foundation. So next is powder or pressed powder. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variety of powder or pressed powder. I have Mary Kay, I have L'Oreal, I have ELF, I have BTLA rather, I have BYS, and I have MAC pressed powder. Next is I have concealer. I have Maybelline concealer, Maybelline New York concealer, dalawa. Itong dark and light. Then I have Fashion 21 and I have Everbilal. So next is my loose powder. I have 1 loose powder only. Ang ginagamit ko sa kilay sa mga clients ko and sa akin is this one, LA Girl product. Dalawang shade, brown and dark brown and bromade, para maset yung eyebrows natin. Now, we have a eyeshadow palette. Ang dami kong eyeshadow palette guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 eyeshadow palettes. Ang dami nito guys, promise. Yun. Yan. Ito pa. Yes. And ang bago kong ang daro pa pala, ang powder eyeshadow, neon eyeshadow. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Worth 85 pesos only. And this is my latest eyeshadow I buy in Shopee. So, salamat Shopee! So, next is my shimmering powder and my shimmering liquid for my eyeshadow. Para mas dramatic ang eyes ng mga clients ko. Kung gusto nila mag-bring dramatic ang eyes nila. So, ilalagyan ko nito. Yes. So, our next palette is contour palette. Actually, malapit na itong mag-goodbye sa akin. So, keep on using them talaga guys. Next is we have our blush ons. The blush ons kadaghan. So, I have Flawless Blush on from Miniso. I have two Chanels, and Wet n Wild. Actually, hindi ito blush on. Highlighter din siya. So, Flawless again, pang bronzer, and Careline na blush. Next product is color corrector. I have two color corrector, is yung green one and yung red one. So, itong green one is for acne. Yes, redness sa face mo, and this one is for blackheads and black circles sa ating mukha. So next is mascara. I have two mascara, same Maybelline product. Ay, sorry. And I have lip balm para sa mga client ko ng mga lalaki. I use lip balm. And next is I have Elmer's glue kasi nagpa-practice ako ngayon ng drag makeup, but hindi pa talaga ako marunong. But I try my best to do my duty. Paglaban natin. Charot. So, next is highlighter. I have three highlighters here. The Kimerucha, the HD highlighter, the Wet n Wild highlighter, and the Iconic London Illuminator highlighter. This is baby oil kasi yung ibang client ko gusto mag-wet look, so baby oil yung ginagamit ko. So next is itong eyelash adhesive. Yes, eyelash glue is for my fake eyelashes. So next is eyelash curler. I have one. Then a sharpener. I have two kasi meron din ako mga pencils na mga eyeliner pencils. Meron din ako, so sinasharpen ko pag naubos siya. So next is our lip gloss. I have three lip gloss here. So iba-iba siya. ELF, then ito binigay lang sa akin from Japan. Ito hiniram ko lang at hindi na nasa uli. Pero isa sa uli ko naman after 2 years. So last but not the least, yes, parang last nito. So last but not the least is my lipstick, guys. I have lots of lipstick. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 lipstick. Yes. Isasali na din natin ang Tony Moly na Tony Moly na sige, tawag sa konsera. Sige, tawag ani? Lip tint, lip tint. So, mga gats, yun lahat ang laman ng makeup box ko. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog ko. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell para masaya tayong lahat. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!
Yeah.